Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Matthew from TurtleX Ventures, and I'd like to say something about today's trade. This is 5th May 2023. So market has opened around 43,038, and from there, in the first few candles, market has ran up and it has gone up to 43,500, which is actually a good movement which has not been seen in the last few weeks. So 500 points initially, it has moved up by 500 points, and from there it started moving down. It started moving down and it almost came and touched the touched the day's low, and from there it started to flew up. So what happened was, yesterday, considering this negative movement, we have taken a position around 10 a.m. in the morning yesterday, and we have seen a negative of around minus 59,000 yesterday, and I have carried forward the position, and as you can see, it moved up, and again today I have seen a loss of around minus 53,000, and from there it came down to touch 43,035, which gave us a PNL of around 43,000 rupees. That is positive 43,000, which is actually great because we have only 400 quantities of 18th May 43,000 PE, and also next to next day's expiry, which has already given us almost 100 points. So what I did was, I was expecting Banknifty to move down below 43,000 because the put to call ratio was not that great for a bounce back from 43,000. So I was expecting Banknifty to move down below 43,000. Again, I am expecting Banknifty to move down below 43,000 in the coming days, but as you can see, right now I have booked a profit of around 14,14786 or something, because I don't want my PNL to be negative for the day. From the day low, market moved up, so we'll wait for the best opportunity, and we'll take around 500 to 600 quantities of 18th May 43,000 PE in the coming days or on next trading day, or else we'll go for the May last 43,000 PE, and we are expecting a further crash in the market. So the reason behind taking this trade is because from April 21st 2023 we can see that market has been moving up considerably, and from there, yesterday and day before yesterday, we could see that the major trend line has been broken, which was started from April 21st, and the trend line was broken, and we could see some bearishness. Even though market was extremely bullish, from a price action point of view, we could see some extreme bearishness in the market, and that's why we have kept the position like that. So once market moves up to 43,300 or 400, where we can get a very good resistance, we'll instead of shorting calls, we'll buy put option of 18th May expiry or May last expiry, so that we can get around 500 to 600 points from this particular trade, which is 600 quantities, 500 to 600 quantities into 500 or 600 points. You can do the calculation by yourself. So in order to see today's trade, or in order to follow what has happened with our PNL today, from plus 43,000 to plus 14,700, that is a huge decline of around how much, 25,000 rupees, which is not that great. But again, instead of booking losses, we'll go for a minimum target. So my target was 1,20,000 in this particular trade, but I could only book like 10 or 11% of my target. So that is again well and good. So let's again subscribe to the channel. You would get more price action ideas from us through the next live trading video. So let's jump right into the charts and see what has happened for the day. So yeah. This is the 1 hour chart of Banknifty. Looking from 21st April 2023, we can see that Banknifty has been moving on a very good uptrend, and looking at this chart, we can see that Banknifty has taken supports multiple times at this trend line, and from day before yesterday, Banknifty was showing some sort of bear. Even though it was extremely bullish, it broke below the trend line, and that's what triggered us to take a trade towards the lower side. So yesterday what we did was, we have taken a trade around 14,234, almost to around this point 40,270, and we have waited till 43,734 and carried the position forward. So we have seen a loss of about minus 58,000, and now we are at a profit of around 10,460, and it has gone up to almost 18,000 rupees. So I have taken the 18th May expiry position, because I am sure Banknifty is going to go down in the coming days. So maybe we'll book the positions right now, and we'll wait for a further target, or else we will book our position, then we'll open a fresh position when Banknifty moves on a higher side, and whenever we can get a good entry, we will go for the buy. So until Bank Nifty breaks above 43,285, our positions are safe and we don't expect Bank Nifty to move further up. So today in the morning, Bank Nifty has gone down to 43,036 and the premium of 43,000 PE has gone up to almost 420. And in the morning I didn't book because I was sure Bank Nifty is going to go down in the later part of the day. So clearly, as you can see here, Bank Nifty has started its run from 43,034 and it went up to touch the trend line at 43,570, and there was a huge call-over build up at 43,500, and that's why Bank Nifty has moved down from that point, and you can see clear bearishness from that point. So Bank Nifty is not stopping at 43,120. So again, we'll have to wait and see what's going to happen to the market. So if this zone is broken, that is 43,108 is broken, it is already broken 43,108, and now this is the support that we have in mind. I mean, yesterday's low. So if yesterday's low is not broken, then we may see further bullishness in Bank Nifty, or else if that is broken, then today is low, and from there Bank Nifty will considerably move down. This is what we can expect from today's market. Good moves. Bank Nifty has gone down below 43,100, and this is what our position looks like. So maybe around 40,000 or 35,000 or whatever. Right. Looking at the market condition, we'll book our profits accordingly and wait for the further targets. We'll decide if we should further wait or book our positions. So right now, the PNL is coming out really well. So we'll see what is going to happen in the next 15 minutes. So I am expecting Bank Nifty to take a support at this point, but again, as you can see here, there are no much call over build up there is no much put over build up in 43,000, which means the investors are anticipating that the market may further fall below 43,000. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen and book our profits accordingly. If so the next candle is opening in the next 5 seconds, and if that candle is showing a reversal, then we'll exit our position at the market price, or else we can see how the position goes. So as you can see here, it is not showing some sort of like big reversals. So yeah, we can wait and see where the PNL is going. So yeah, our PNL has gone up to almost 41,000. Let's see where this is going. Since Bank Nifty has moved down this much, we'll book our profits at the current market price, because I see Bank Nifty going to take a reversal towards the upside and then coming down in the later part of the day. So let's not wait for the higher targets, even though I have lost around 22,000, because Bank Nifty has moved up to 43,000 and it has come down to 20,000 right now. So let's see, probably I'll book around this point and I'll get out of my position is what I am thinking. So you probably might have think that my profit has gone up to around 43,000 and I have only booked 14,746. It's because I was expecting a further downward movement from this point, and also I was expecting to book Bank Nifty's price around, or the Bank Nifty's profits around 43,000, because there was a good call away build up, as in comparing to the put to call away build up on every thousands, we can see that it was not strong at 43,000. So I was expecting Bank Nifty to move down below 43,000, and since the next green candle engulfed the previous candle, I was sure that Bank Nifty is going to further fly up from this point. So instead of waiting for higher profits, I thought I'll just I'll just take my profits and then I'll wait for a fresh entry. And since it's a Friday and the weekend is coming, it's very hard to keep the positions open. So I thought I'll just book my profits at 14,000 and I thought I'll just get out of the position. So that's how it is. So stay tuned. You will be seeing live trades like that. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel and you will get an idea about how you should take trades according to price action. So yeah, well and good for the day. See, you can see that I'm very well composed. 40,000, next day also I can make 40,000. Right now I'm saving my position, and because my target was 1,20,000 in this position. So since it's a weekend and I was not thinking about the 2 days holidays, because I was sure about the trade. So my target was around 1,20,000. Since I couldn't achieve it, I thought I'll just get out with the minimum profit. That is, since 1.5 lakhs, my 1.2 lakhs was my target, I thought I'll just book 10% of what my target was. So I'm well and good happy for 14,000 that I have got, and it's a good end to the week.